Let us discuss about continent. There are 7 continents. Asia continent, Europe continent, Africa continent, North America continent, South America continent, Australia and Oceania continent, Antarctica continent. Let us discuss about Asia continent. Asia continent is Earth's largest and most populous continent, located primarily in the eastern and northern hemispheres. Asia covers an area of 44,579,000 square kilometers, that is 17,212,000 square miles, which is about 30% of Earth's total land area and 8.7% of the Earth's total surface area and 60% of the world's population. It has 49 sovereign states who are members of the United Nations, 2 states with substantial, but not have international recognition, out of which one is a UN observer state, 4 largely unrecognized de facto states, and 6 dependent and other territories. Asia is the only continent that shares borders with 2 other continents, Africa and Europe. It sometimes joins with a third continent, North America, in the winter by ice forming in the Bering Sea. Let us discuss about Europe continent. Europe is a continent located entirely in the northern hemisphere and mostly in the eastern hemisphere. It comprises the westernmost peninsulas of the continental landmass of Eurasia. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Mediterranean Sea to the south, and Asia to the east. Europe covers about 10,180,000 square kilometers, that is 3,930,000 square mile, or 2% of the Earth's surface, and 6.8% of land area, making it the second smallest continent. It has 50 sovereign states and 6 with limited recognition. Europe is commonly considered to be separated from Asia by the watershed of the Ural Mountains, the Ural River, the Caspian Sea, the Greater Caucasus, the Black Sea, and the waterways of the Turkish Straits. Let us discuss about Africa continent. Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent, after Asia in both cases. At about 30,300,000 square kilometers, that is 11,700,000 square miles, including adjacent islands, it covers 6% of Earth's total surface area and 20% of its land area. Africa's population is the youngest amongst all the continents. Despite a wide range of natural resources, Africa is the least wealthy continent per capita, in part due to geographic impediments, legacies of European colonization in Africa and the Cold War, predatory and neo-colonialistic activities by Western nations and China, and undemocratic rule and deleterious policies. It lists 56 sovereign states, 54 of which are member states of the United Nations, 2 non-sovereign, that is dependent territories of non-African sovereign states, and 9 subnational regions of non-African sovereign states. The continent is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Isthmus of Suez and the Red Sea to the northeast, the Indian Ocean to the southeast and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Let us discuss about North America continent. North America is a continent entirely within the northern hemisphere and almost all within the western hemisphere. It can also be described as the northern subcontinent of the Americas. It is bordered to the north by the Arctic Ocean, to the east by the Atlantic Ocean, to the southeast by South America and the Caribbean Sea, and to the west and south by the Pacific Ocean. It lists 23 sovereign states. North America covers an area of about 24,709,000 square kilometers, that is 9,540,000 square miles, about 16.5% of the Earth's land area and about 4.8% of its total surface. North America is the third largest continent by area, following Asia and Africa, and the fourth by population after Asia, Africa, and Europe. Let us discuss about South America continent. South America ranks fourth in area after Asia, Africa, and North America and fifth in population after Asia, Africa, Europe, and North America. South America is a continent entirely in the Western Hemisphere and mostly in the Southern Hemisphere, with a relatively small portion in the Northern Hemisphere. South America is bordered on the west by the Pacific Ocean, and on the north and east by the Atlantic Ocean. North America and the Caribbean Sea lie to the northwest. The continent generally includes 12 sovereign states. South America has an area of 17,840,000 square kilometers, that is 6,890,000 square miles. Let us discuss about Australia and Oceania continent. The continent of Australia, sometimes known in technical contexts by the names Sahul, Australinia, or Meganesia to distinguish it from the country of Australia. The continent includes mainland Australia, Tasmania, and the island of New Guinea. Australia is the smallest of the 7 traditional continents. With a total land area of 8,560,000 square kilometers, that is 3,310,000 square miles. The Australian continent is the smallest and second lowest human inhabited after Antarctica continent on Earth. Let us discuss about Antarctica continent. Antarctica, the southernmost continent and site of the South Pole, is a virtually uninhabited, ice-covered landmass. Most cruises to the continent visit the Antarctic Peninsula, which stretches toward South America. The peninsula's isolated terrain also shelters rich wildlife, including many penguins. It contains the geographic South Pole and is situated in the Antarctic region of the Southern Hemisphere, almost entirely south of the Antarctic Circle, and is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It is the fifth largest continent and nearly twice the size of Australia. It is by far the least populated continent, with around 5,000 people in the summer and around 1,000 in the winter. Antarctica, on average, is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent, and has the highest average elevation of all the continents.